YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the topics in cryptocurrency. And guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Talking to you guys today about some Toshi coin. We're going to talk about some Bitcoin. Before we get into that, though, I got to let you know, too, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. You got to go out and do your own research. But let's talk about it. As you guys can see, total market cap coming in 2.7 trillion and our fear index coming in at a 25. Bitcoin coming in at 84.3. Are we going to be able to break above this 84.5? Can Bitcoin print some kind of amazing God candle and put us back on course to seeing some bullish activity? It seems like we're seeing some good buy action happen in the past couple hours, but again, is it going to be enough? Can we break out? Are we going to create a cup and handle here and pump out of this sketchy range? 82% of people bullish on Bitcoin, 18% of people bearish on Bitcoin. As you guys could see in the 1 month chart, we have created a rising wedge, right? We created a nasty rising wedge between March 10th and the 26th. At the top of that rising wedge, we formed a shoulder, head, shoulder, and since then it's been correcting down. We had a retest one time in this 87 range, but we have not got the breakout that we need. We really need to see that 88, 89 breakout in order for us to be considered looking good. As you guys could see right now, Bitcoin coming in at 84, and people wondering, can Bitcoin make a comeback? Kind of hard to say, right now. Yikes, it looks like, we are still in a downtrend overall, but Bitcoin is really in a decision mode. Can it break up? Can it start picking up in volume? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Let's see what some of these guys are saying about Bitcoin. Some people saying that Bitcoin says the arrow adjusted, headed into the weekend. Somebody thinks that we're going to see some chop, but then we're going to see a big pump into the weekend. Interesting. Let's see what some of these other people are saying. Some people saying that looking good. Interesting. Seems like some people feeling pretty bullish right now after that little pump. Somebody saying bullish breakout, 25 to 40% pump possible. Interesting. Are you bullish on crypto, or do you guys think that we still need to see a little more correction? I want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section below. Right, let's talk about some of these other coins. Also see kind of how the market is reacting. As you guys can see, the market's up a bit, right? Up 2.48%. Not looking too shabby. Can we start seeing an altcoin cycle happen pretty soon? Hopefully. But again, we're not out of the woods. Maybe we're forming a wedge here. Maybe not. Maybe we need to break down more. What do you guys think? Again, are we going to start seeing an altcoin cycle happen pretty soon? Or do you guys think that we need to see a little bit more of a breakdown and then see a breakup coming later? We are seeing some of these DeFi coins starting to pick up in volume, including, look, Atom. We were just talking about Cosmo just the other day, and like that thing is looking pretty good right now. Also, some of these other projects like XRP, Solana also picking up today, Cardano also. So DeFi picking up a little bit, some of these other coins. Also, let's see how big dog Toshi's doing on the day. I haven't checked Toshi in a minute, guys, but hopefully our boy's doing pretty decent on this dip and starting to see a little bit of recovery. You guys can see Toshi coin coming in at a 98 right now. And yeah, in the past 6 hours, up 4%. So starting to show a little bit of signs of life with the market, but at the same time, we're not quite out of the woods yet. You guys can see we got some key resistance here on the 2 hour. We got to break out of. Also our 1 hour chart, hopefully not showing a sign of a rejection. We need to continue this bullish action again. Hopefully not a rising wedge forming here, right? We want to see this thing start breaking up a little more. But again, the confidence will come, in my opinion. We're seeing it with Bitcoin. So maybe, this pump will continue into the weekend. Maybe we can close today strong. It's really going to depend on if we can break out of the zone. We're still creating a rising wedge here on Bitcoin. And if we reject off of this could be a massive sell-off that we will see in the market in a lot of coins. across the board if Bitcoin decides it wants to break down off of this. But as always, guys, the markets are speculative. Nobody knows the future. So, you know, just understand that. Maybe we could break up. Maybe we could break down. You know, just be ready for either situation to happen. As always, guys, I appreciate you guys for taking the time out to watch the video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, the bell notification. I'll probably be going live sometime today. We could talk about these markets because we'll probably see which way they're going to close by the end of the day. So again, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, all that stuff. I'm going to catch you guys next one. Peace.